Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Valorant warm-up. So hey guys, I'm gonna show you how I do my Valorant warm-up. First thing I do is go to practice. In the range, I started with a sheriff. There you go. It's okay if you miss your shots as long as you try to hit them. And try to hit them in the head. There you go. After I use the sheriff, I use the guardian. Then do the same thing. There you go. There you go. There you go. As long as I hit them, should be all good. There you go. Alright. And after that, after I use the guardian, I switch on to vandal. There you go. There. It's okay to miss as long as you try to hit them in the head. There we go. There we go. There we go. So after that, I use OP for the quick scopes. I practice my quick scopes here. And there you go. Then after that, before going to a game of competitive, I'll do one match of deathmatch. And right here, we're at the game right now. We're at deathmatch. Alright. So now here, I use a vandal as my main weapon. There we go. Kills it. And here you go. There you go. Got the kill. Alright, so that's my warm-up in Valorant. So I hope you enjoyed and hope you learned something. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.